Hello friends, today I am here to discuss the tentative answer key of English core paper with code 001/1/4, that is with series SSJ1. I am Sunil Sharma, SDSR, Faculty of English at Resonance, and today I will be discussing this code 001/1/4. The paper was in 3 parts. Section A was the reading comprehension, which had 18 questions and you had to attempt only 14 of them. Section B was the writing section, which had 12 questions and you had to attempt any 10 of them, ample of choice. And section C, the literature, which included questions and from Flamingo and Vistas. Totally 30 questions were there and you had to attempt only 26 of those questions given 30. Straightway coming into the reading section, the first passage we had, which was based upon humility and things. The passage in front of you, yes, and we straightway we will move on very quickly to the questions. The first question from the passage, the author uses the expression trench the line, fine line means, and the correct answer for this question is B. Option B is the correct answer for question number 1. The second question, the author's opinion about the ambience of the present day workshop. The options in front of you and the correct answer is hostile and prejudice. What is hostile? Hostile means like enemy, दुश्मन. चलते हैं आगे. Question number 3. What conveys the main idea of the passage from the quotations given by the different authors? And the correct answer from this part is D. It is an anonymous one. Fourth one, according to the author, the understanding and respecting nature will make one realize that, and the answer for this is we are just a drop in the ocean. Again, question number 5, choose the option that lists the way to develop humility. 5 sets of sentences are given. You have to just see that which the combination of which of these statements is correct, and the correct answer is D, that is with statements first, fourth and fifth, that is knowing one's strength and weakness, to be ready to learn and to possess the quality of being human. Question number 6, what lacuna does the writer find in the structure of management lessons? And the correct option should is A, that humility is not featured in the leadership qualities. Question number 7, the author suggests to employ people who are humble because, and the correct answer for this is they facilitate creating conducive and congenial ambience. Moving on ahead to question number 8, choose the option that reiterates the author's claim about the recent study, and the correct answer for this is humility enhances performance. What is humility? Humility means to show humbleness. Question number 9, Gandhi's view on humility is that humility is the fountainhead of other positive traits. Humility gives inner strength to one. Humility is synonymous with surrender, and humility is being spiritual. And the correct answer for this is humility is the fountainhead. So, these are the correct answers for the questions. Moving on to the other questions, the last one from your passage 1. By describing power and money as trappings, the author tries to convey that. 4 options over here, and the correct answer for this is power and money make one do something against one's choice. So, these are the 2 things which make person does something else. So, these were the answers to your passage number 1. Out of those 20 questions, you have to attempt any 8. Moving on to the second one, it was an interesting passage related to the internet addiction. So, rather than wasting time in the passage, we will move on to the questions very quickly. Question number 11, according to the author of the passage, the outcome of the advent of smartphones in the market is that. It was an easy question, and the answer to this is it triggered an increase in the number of people suffering from internet addiction. Question number 12, select the correct inference with reference to the following. AIMS claim that the number of people visiting with the complaints of internet addiction is doubled. And the correct answer for this particular option, question number 12, is technology has taken a toll on people's health. As per paragraph 1, internet addiction is in a way responsible for, and the correct answer for this question is degeneration of social behavior. The 14th question, the survey mentioned in paragraph 4 establishes the fact that it was a straightforward answer from the passage, and the correct option again is C, males are more vulnerable to addiction than females. The 15th one, the concluding paragraph conveys the message that 4 options, and the correct answer is it requires will of the people to lead a healthy life. Yes, this is the correct answer for question number 15. WH is not WHO, it is WHO, World Health Organization. So, WHO in June 2018 classified gaming disorder as a mental health condition. The above statement indicates that WHO is against the use of internet, gaming disorder is a recognized global health issue, there is a need for ban of mobile games, or the last option, there is a need to dissuade people from using smartphone. What is dissuade? Opposite of persuade. And the correct answer for question number 16 is gaming disorder is a recognized global health issue, which many of the students must also be experiencing. Maybe the parents or the children might be experiencing it. Select the option that holds true as per the figure. Yes, the figure was given, a figure was given in the passage, and what is the correct option from here? The correct option for this is more than 50% of the people are addicted to Facebook and YouTube. One question here. Question number 17. The term maladaptive in paragraph 1 refers to. From the 4 options, the correct answer for question number 17 is A, not adjusting adequately to the situations. And the last of the questions from the passage, read the following statements. Social networking sites and gaming applications are the root cause of internet addiction. And the second statement which is given is internet addiction can save people from many psychological problems. Now, you have to identify whether both of them are true, either both of them are false, or either of them is true, and so on. And the correct answer for question number 18 is statement number 1 is true and 2 is false. That is, social networking sites and gaming application are the root cause of internet addiction. Yes, the statement is true, and internet addiction can save people from many psychological problems. That sounds to be an incorrect one. So, the correct option is D for Delhi. So, these were the answers where reading comprehension section A was concerned. Let us move on very quickly with the questions based on your writing section. First 5 questions will be from short compositions. Question number 19, Raghav's office needs a receptionist. He is the manager. So, choose the most appropriate title under which it will be published, and as taught to all the students, yes, what should be the correct option? The correct option of question number 19 is situation vacant column. It is not too late, it is not situation wanted, or it is not neither accommodation wanted. The correct option is C. Question number 20th. What are the personal details of the candidate that Raghav would ask in the advertisement? Personality, age and experience, age, qualification, experience, gender, address and experience, or age, hobbies and qualifications. And the correct option for question number 20 is B, age, qualification and experience. So, these are the questions, and a few questions from the notice part. Manohar is the head boy of JM Modern School, Pune. He is asked to draft a notice to inform the students of board classes about the enrichment classes to be conducted by the school. Select the appropriate title for the notice, and the correct will be enrichment classes for 10th and 12th students, because we are talking about the board classes over here, which includes 10th as well as students of class 12th. Question number 22nd. Choose the option from the list which is the most accurate opening of this notice. And what should be the correct one? Yes, students, the correct answer for this is to inform. Whenever we start a notice, we always, this is the correct apt opening. This is to inform, and then the audience to whom the notice is meant for. So, this is to inform the students of class 10th and 12th, the students of the board classes. So, these were a few questions from the writing section. Select the option in the information point that Manohar has to include in the content of the notice. 6 different options are given. Choose the set which has the correct, which is the correct option, and the correct option for this question is B, that is timing and enrichment, timing of the classes, the subjects covered, the consent of the parents, and no doubt school related thing, then the dress code. So, correct answer should be B for this. Moving on to the long composition questions. In this set of 7 questions were there, you need to attempt any 6 out of it. Vijay is a member of Eco Club. As part of the Earth Day celebration, he decides to contribute an article to the school magazine advocating the use of solar power. So, he is emphasizing the need or the use of solar power in this. Select the option that lists an appropriate title for Vijay's article. The question based on choosing the title name is always confusing for many of the students, but if you read the options carefully and you analyze the elimination process, you will always come very close to the correct option, and from the 4 options given in front of you, the correct option should have been D, solar power, an excellent alternative energy resource. Question number 25. Which option would help Vijay with the appropriate organization of relevant for his article? A set of different informations have been given to him in the front of you, and minor changes are there, but if you read the things very carefully, you will come to know that option number C should have been the correct answer for this question number. So, means dependence on energy resources, then points related to excessive use of energy by people leading to crisis situation, the need to switch over, the benefits of social power, and finally, presenting a conclusive outlook. Question number 26. A confusing options. Read the statement from the draft of Vijay's article and help him to complete it by selecting the most appropriate option. All the 4 options look to be correct, but if you just eliminate the things and you just try to put those words in, fill in the blanks, then you will come to know that the correct option for question number 26 should be C. Solar power is the key to a clean energy future. That is why we need to invest heavily. Some of the students were discussing that, sir, should the answer be D? Solar power is the reason, that is why we need to install. I do not think so, that looks to be the appropriate answer. So, the correct answer should have been C for question number 26. Which quote should Vijay use to sum up the idea of his article? 4 quotations again by 4 eminent writers has been put up in front of you, and the correct option should be A. Solar power, wind power, the way forward is to collaborate with nature. It is the only way we are going to get to the other end of the 21st century. So, this looks to be the most appropriate of the options. Moving on to the next one, that is the 28th one. Select the option that lists an appropriate title for the article, and this correct answer for this is solar energy, the need of the hour. One more question from the notice part. Which suggestions from those given below would be appropriate for Vijay's article, and he is writing an article related to solar energy, and the correct option for this is solar energy, a renewable energy resource, many benefits, cleaner atmosphere, less expenditure, and give a logical conclusion. So, this is the correct option for question number 29. The last question where notice is where this long composition is concerned from the article. My article contains, and then 5 different options have been given for each. My article contains, so you can go through the questions very carefully, and the correct answer for this, whether it is option 1, option 2, option 3 or option 4, and the correct option for this is option number B, that is this one. My article contains an eye-catching relevant title, the present crisis, its cause effect, how to avoid the crisis effectively, an appropriate conclusion, and the byline. Byline is the name of the person putting up the article, and over here it is Vijay. So, these were the answers to your writing section. Let us move on to the reading section, to the literature part, which has questions from flamingos as well as vistas. So, the first part from this is an extract from the chapter Deep Water, written by William Douglas. Choose the option that the best explains the expression deep meaning in the extract. 4 options are given in front of you, and the correct is the narrator learned a life lesson through that experience. It was a life learning experience for, because he had this childhood fear and how he overcame this fear, that is what is specified in this autobiographical chapter of William Douglas. The next question, choose the correct option which refers to only those as intended by the narrator, and whom it is intended for those who have experienced and conquered fear, because this is what the author finally did. He overcame, he had this fear and he overcame this fear, and the correct answer is only those who can understand is those who have experienced and conquered fear. So, these were the few questions. Moving on to other questions from this extract. Of the 4 meanings of sensation, select the option that matches the meaning. Question number 33, and the correct answer is physical response to a stimulus. It was not a difficult one this time from this chapter. What are the impact of the experience of the narrator's life? 4 options in front of you, and the correct option is it enhanced the narrator's survival instinct. और this is what he learned, डर के आगे जीत है, यही उस चैप्टर से वो सीखता है. Roosevelt's opinion on fear is that one should be scared of fear, fear is inevitable in life, one should not let fear enter one's mind, and fear is an emotion of destruction. And no doubt the correct answer is C, one should not let fear enter one's mind. Try to overcome the fear, or all we have to fear is fear itself, a quotation by Roosevelt. Again one more extract based question from Flamingo, and this has been taken from the chapter Lost Spring, written by Anis Jung. Select the option that explains the appropriate reason for the narrator's embarrassment, and the correct answer for this is she is guilty of giving a false promise to the boy, a promise which she could not keep it. It was a very casual promise which she had made of starting a school. 37. Of the 4 meanings of embarrassed, select the option that matches in meaning with usage in its extract, and the correct answer for this is uncomfortable. What does the author mean by his bleak world? The world of children, his aspirations for future, life with no hope for the future, or his dark clouds? And the correct answer for this is life with no hope for the future. Next, what view does the author express on the fact that Sahib-e-Alam means Lord of the Universe? The name of the Rekvikar Sahib is Sahib-e-Alam. So, what does this mean? and the correct option for this is the author finds the name ironical. Now, what do you mean by this ironical? What is ironical? It is a figure of speech when whatever you say is opposite to what you mean. And the last question was extract. Select the option that describes the literary device used in the expression an army of barefoot boys who appear like morning birds. Like morning birds. Whenever a comparison is made with the word like or as, the figure of speech is simile. So, correct answer over here is B. The next 5 questions from the poem My Mother at 66, extract from the particular poem. Which amongst the following option has used the same poetic device in the underlined phrase as used in the expression ashen like that of a corpse? So, what is the poetic device used over here? The poetic device used over here is simile. And now, if you just go through all these 4 questions, there is only one option, that is C, because simile is comparison with the use of word like or as. So, a simile was used over here. 42nd, choose the correct option that best explains the reason for the poet to put that thought away. 4 options are there, and the correct option for this is she was deeply pained by the thought of the mother's imminent death, because the mother had grown extremely old and the poet had that childhood fear of losing her mother or getting separated from the mother. What do the expression doze, open mouthed, describe about the poet's mother? Doze is sleep. So, what is the correct option in this? The correct option is B over doze is sleep, but open mouthed. So, what are the poet's mother? She is aged 66 years old and she is exhausted, hence she is just relaxing in the cup. Question number 44. What mood does the expression merry children spelling bring in? What does merry? What is the meaning of word merry? Merry is not shadi, merry is happy, MERRY, and the correct answer for this is happiness and enthusiasm. And these merry children spilling out of the homes and trees printing. These were contrasting image to what the poet could see inside the car in the form of her aged and exhausted mother. The last question from this extract, select the correct option to fill in the blank. The poet uses the image of sprinting trees to emphasize the dash to the dash of the to the aging mother. And the correct answer for question number 45 is C. This is just in continuation of the earlier question. I just told you merry children spelling and trees printing, they show a contrast. The last of the extract based question, the textual comprehension from Vistas, the chapter The Enemy. An easy extract comparatively. Question number 46. The correct answer for is this: choose the option that best defines the role of Sadao's father in his role. The students were confused a bit, but the straight one is he was very concerned about his education, and because of all these things Sadao learned medicine and so on. Because of the concern this thing happened. So, do not get confused with option B, the correct answer should be A. Question number 47. For how many years did Sadao study in America? It was a very easy question. He went at the age of 22, returned at the age of 30. So, he had studied there for 8 years. Dr. Sadao was not sent abroad with the troops because he was, and the correct answer is, there were 2 reasons. First, he was perfecting a discovery to make any wounds clean, and second, the general needed for his selfish needs, for his health needs. So, from the options given over here, it is because he was working on a discovery. 49. Choose the correct option that best describes Sadao as a perfect son. Again a question with confusing options for the students, but the correct option should be Sadao went to America as desired by his father, because he went there. Later on he became a doctor and returned from there. Question number 50. Select the best option which you consider as the most influential factor in Sadao's life, and the correct option over here is it the years he spent in America, or is it the general whom he was treating, the war between America and Japan, or his father's support and motivation, and the correct option over here is D, his father's support and motivation. So, these were a few extract based questions from the chapters and the poems. Now, stand alone MCQs, 10 questions over here, the last 10 questions, the last set over here. In keeping quiet, through the expression fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, Pablo Neruda the poet expresses his concern for, and the correct answer over here is whales signify the marine creatures over here, or you can just take it as the animals. When Sahib said there is no school in my neighborhood, what does it reflect, and what should be the correct option for this? The correct option for this, it shows the apathy of the government. What is apathy? Apathy is lack of sympathy, that is called as apathy. 53rd, Charlie wanted to travel to Galesburg as it was known for its, no doubt there was a typo error, it is not Charlie, it is Charlie. Huge lawns, peaceful leisurely life, big spacious old house, or green environment and the broad trees. So, the correct option for this is he wanted a peaceful life and a leisurely life away from the destructions of the world wars, first and second. By the phrase familiar ache, Kamala Das refers to, this is from the poem My Mother at 66. What does she refer to? Pain of separation, pain of aging, pain of illness, or pain of travelling, and the correct option is the pain of separation. She had this childhood fear of loss and separation. Moving on ahead with a question from the chapter The Last Lesson, written by Alphonse Daudet. What was Hamel worried about when he said, she puts off learning till tomorrow? The four options are there, and the correct option over here is he was concerned about the tendency of the Alsace people to postpone the things. Over here the she has been used for the Alsace and Lorraine. The correct option over here is D for Delhi. बढ़ते हैं आगे. Question number 56. Why does Stephen Spender call map a bad example? Who is Stephen Spender? The poet of An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum. So, why does he call the map a bad example? Because it was an open handed map, the map did not match the sour cream walls, the map would tempt them is the children, or because the children could not read the maps, and the correct option for this is the map would tempt them to steal, that is to run away from their reality into the bright world shown to the children in the form of the map. Question number 57. My $300 bought less than 200 in old style bills, but I did not care. Why was Charlie not worried about getting less money? Question from the chapter The Third Level. Four options in front of you, and the correct answer for this is because the cost of living was lower at the third level, that is at Galesburg. So, even though he had to pay a premium of more than $100, for $300 he got less than $200 of the old style, but he did not mind because the cost of living was much over. सब वसूल कर लेता वहाँ पर वो कुछ साल रहने के बाद. Question number 58. Dr. Sadao's thought, but certainly I do not want this man to live. This is what he thinks. In the light of the Sadao situation, what does the above statement mean? Is it humorous? Is it ironical? Is it serious, or is it critical? And the correct answer is Sadao मन ही मन बोलता है. The chapter is a conflict of duties in the mind of Dr. Sadao. Should you save him as a patriot, should you save him as a doctor, as a human being, or should you let him die? The correct answer is ironical. Even though he just says, I do not want this man to live, but being a doctor, he could not see this man die also. The last two questions. The phrase the lead sky in the poem an elementary school classroom in a slum refers to what? The pollution in the air, the dark clouds, the gloomy future or the smoke, and the correct answer for this is the gloomy future, the dull future, the bleak future over there. And the last of the question, YMCA pool revived Douglas's unpleasant memories. Unpleasant memories refer to what? So when he went to YMCA pool, उसके बचपन की कोई पुरानी यादें उसके दिमाग में ताज़ा हो गई. And what was that incident? Was it the drowning at YMCA pool? Was it incident at the beach in California? Bullying of the big bruiser or the stories heard about Yakima River? So the correct answer is A, the incident or the beach in California where he had gone with his father and he fell and the waves swept over him. So these were the tentative answer key for the paper 001/1/4 bearing series SSJ1. So I hope now you will be able to evaluate yourself and see how much you have scored, and even though if you have made mistakes, please keep those things aside and focus on to the other exams which will be appearing soon. So this is all from my side, and just remember the ABC of life, that is always be confident. So this is all from my side for today. Thank you all and enjoy your learning, and all the best to all of you for the upcoming exams. Thank you.